Good morning, students, and good morning, everyone. This is Vishnu from AKS Service Solutions, that is Training and Placement Center. Today we are going to discuss about about RPA. What mean by RPA? What we have discussed in the last session. Today we are going to discuss the continuation part of it. Whatever the topics which we have missed. Last time we have been concluded about what is the RPA, that is robotic process automation, and how it is technology based, what is the difference between machine and robot, how it controls, and what is the process. Today we are going to discuss about the many more discussions about last 10 best cases of automations. First thing in that, customer service. Nowadays the customer service is giving an automatic system. How? Now when we call to customer care, first it will be giving options like press 1, press 2, press 3 for languages. Then it gives again, after that then it shares whatever the problems we have, it will be saying in the process. In the number wise system it will be given. This is the way modern structure of a accumulation is going to give. Then it comes back to the customer service. Now in a voice, now I'm going to buy a product like I have bought a mobile phone. How it is getting generated a bill? It's getting generated a bill in automatic. How? If I'm buying from the Amazon or a Flipkart or any other services, online services, we are just buying the products, then it gives us details. Now it will be tallying a GST, like central GST, state GST, everything combines and gives us a final product. It tallies everything in a step-by-step procedure. And not only that, it also includes whatever the processor charges, everything will be included and used to bill. And that also gives a warranty card system at what time it need to be delivered. And next, coming to sales order, we have many sales order. Sales means nothing but whatever the sale. Now I'm selling a mobile phone to you, I'll be selling. How I'll say this is a product of things, everything that included. Now let's take a mobile phone which is helping us to device, explaining system, everything that we can do in an automatic way by a machine system. We can say like features, whatever the inbuilt in it, whatever the processes in it, and whatever the staples, and whatever the RAM, ROM, what is the storage. All this will be included into the steps of the sales. Payroll. Now I want to. Now I have worked as in office for 100 days, but I am saying that I have worked in 160 days. It just tallies. Now I have came to the office at 2 o'clock, and I am saying that 12, I have entered into the office at 12 o'clock. But the time will be punctual and next checked by the automation machines. Then whenever we punch in, it will be just tallying. We can't say that I have came at 12 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, at 2. Before that, I have staying there and here, but it does not tally. And it tallies exactly whatever the amount salaries need to be given by the payroll. Price comparison. It will be comparing the prices, like whatever the prices we are going to buy, that will be stored and devised in this price comparison. Storing a customer information, like we have a multi stores, like let's take our business. We have built a one company. In that company, every customer will have its own devices. Like we have an institutions, like let us take our institution. You all have been joined in our institution. We are going to take your information, whatever you have studied, whatever you have been educated, whatever your process, that we are going to store in a device. That automatically we can store. Just if we give an information, then it stores the data and it generates whatever the process you have been learned, that will be giving in the storage customer information. Processing HR information. Nowadays, the totally HRs also, like this recruiting team also is using this for automations. How they'll be shortlisting by the students, whatever the requirements done, whatever the process they want to done, they are going to. Like they'll be giving them like automatic recording system. They need to analyze and then they need to read it. Then if this process is going to done, then the automation machine only will be shortlisting this. And processing refund, like whatever the items are going to be done, that will be delivered in a fastest way. If we are going to delivery, now let us taking a packing charges, every packing will be done slowly by a manual system. But comparing to this system will be having slowly, so that it will be fast refunding by this system. That is why this picture will be giving information about the first is customer charts. This is the customers, how the customers deals, and then whatever the billing sessions, whatever the total website processes, offices, goods and transportation charges, all these a robot can do within a fraction of seconds. By this picture, we can understand that the best roles, what we have discussed about the customer service are in a point where 70 to 80% are going to done by this customer services are done by this automations. And invoice can automatically end-to-end process from receipts to payment. As we have discussed about all the payment devices, all the process, all the tasks, manual tasks can be done by the automatic process. Like goods services, not only goods delivery, many things systems can be done in these. Sales orders, sales also nothing but many modules. Like I want to buy many modules and enterprises. Just like take examples like this DMart or many online shopping, online stores. Just they'll be scanning the device, whatever the device they are getting, just they'll scan and keep there. The automatically data will be entered and it will be filing and gives a final receipt. Payroll, the same thing which we have discussed. The HR team, they need to analyze the totally whatever the amount should be given to the every month in the concerned systems, that will be done. Next, price comparison. In business field, if one business and one other business, if, let's take not business mind, let's take a machines. These are the two machines. Let's take this is a one machine and this is a one machine. Whenever this machine works hard and this is a machine is a smaller, there is a comparison between the work it has done, whatever the bulk amount manufacturing should be done, all this will be comparison will be done by the machines. Storing customer information, already we have been discussed personal information. We have discussed in a storing customers information in terms of salaries, whatever the storage which you have been given to us. Let's take recruitment. Means recruitment is nothing but RPA can help us in recruitment, not only streamlining process, and systems can resume from different platforms. Like let's take everyone having a different platform. One is from engineering background, one is from degree background, one is from MBA background. Everything else comes under one control, and whatever their applications and such whatever the factories from they came, that all will be included into this process and then analyzes. Around 90 to 95 virtual recruitment, whatever we have been taking, all these are coming under this robotics process, like screening, assessmenting, mentoring, onboarding, administration. Like we are on the offline sessions, we'll be having this jam session, and next we have group sessions. All these are done by manual. All these are assessing, measuring. All these are done by the recruitment by the online system. This all comes under the RPA system. Extra data from different formats. Now, what is the extra data? What is the extra data? Extra data is nothing but whatever the data is obtaining. Employees spend, let's take, we have a PF, professional fund. That is professional fund is totally will be having 10 to 20% of interest from our salaries. In the same way, here also, whatever now I am writing 100 papers. Let's take I am writing, my teacher has told me to write 100 papers of imposition. But I have done writing. It takes 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Just if I go to the Xerox machine, if I just scan it, I can give within 10 minutes to a ma'am or a sir. That is an easy way to be controlling to effort of our organization. In an extra data, whatever the data which we are giving, it will be reducing our work. In this way, easy format we can enter into the system. And not only that, it reduces our work. This automation process helps reduces our work compared to. This is not an easy way. In a smart way, we are thinking. This is the way we have been going to do in a more productivities. The UI path of an enterprise system with the studio architectures of robots. What the total digitalized your process, whatever they are digitalizing your process, that will be managed by a secure. And not only that, we can secure by this total system in this process, because until a person does not touch directly with this, until there is any process, like we can keep a sensor based, we can keep a password systems, we can keep anything into this and we can stoppably. We can't touch other storage device. Like I want to take a in a question papers. We'll have a answer scripts in a principal's room. I want to store that and to get a more marks. And just if we have this type of process, until the principal has to give a information, it does not opens. It's just one of a platform. This example, we have many advantages, advanced features of a RPA, and totally. And today we have discussed about totally. We can conclude a small thing. Totally, what we have discussed about the customer services, and next we have been discussed about the customer services and totally storage, price rolls, payrolls, sales invoice, and storing customers information, processing HR information. All this we are going to we have been discussed today. During this, do you have any doubts regarding this? If you have any doubts, let's discuss, and then next week we'll be discussing about the total how the advanced storage we are going to have, what is the extra RPA and tools at whatever. Then do you have any doubts? Let us discuss about this.
No sir, please continue.
Okay, finally we advanced features of RPA anywhere. Now what is the advanced? What is the advanced? Till now we have discussed about that. What is the advanced? Advanced is nothing but what we want to do in forward. Whatever the work tomorrow we need to do, that work if we are doing today, it's called as advanced work. In the same way, we are going to have a advanced made process, robotics process automation tool at glance. It's a use of bots to automate mundane tasks within applications. Now I have given a work to you for I said you to clean a total whatever the machine. I said to clean you within a 1 day. Is it possible to clean it in a 1 day? Any machines? No, it's not possible to clean it in a 1 day or a process. A machine can do that process within a 1 day, but a man, it's not possible. That is what we are using advanced tools. We are making our work in an easy way of tools of bots to automate mundane of tasks. I have a bundle of tasks. I need to use hundreds of machines to be cleaned. If I use a machine to my work easy, I can clean 10 machines in a 1 day. But if I do in a manual way, I can't repair it in a 1 day. I can repair only 2 machines or 1 machine, rather or half machine a day. But with these automations will help us to totally work in a powerful enough mimic several human users actions with log of applications. Whatever the applications are applicable can be done. The 3 core functionalities of RPA. RPA enables seamless integrations of a front office, boots of back office. Few things, whatever we are doing a front base can be done by the machine and backside also. Like I'm running a device. Now I'm typing in a Google, I have typed, I want to know about the robotics. What is a robot? But I have given a front end process. The back end process will be run by the system and it controls, because we have already given a program to that to this. Let's take this laptop itself. Now I'm giving a searching a data to this about what is a robot. And if it's a robot is completed, then I have given information. What's my name? Just it gives the information that my name is a computer, my name is so and so. Who is the minister of Telangana? Who is the IT minister of Telangana? It just gives the information that Kalvakunta Tarak Rama is a IT minister. It's giving information to us and it helps us in many ways. RPA enables a simple integration in a front office and back office. I have given just information in a front way that who is a minister. It's given, it's processed, and whatever in the backend process it has been taken and given again a process. The front office both supports the streamlining as well as simply customer facing functions like sales or customer services, where like sales. Now I want to buy. We are seeing all the devices. Now I'm in Flipkart or Amazon. I'm seeing all the products. Those are all called as a front end process. What I am seeing, like this mobile cost is this much, this mobile cost is this much. Now the back end process is nothing but total whatever the I have been paying, processing the amount in the backend process. It totally takes the application and totals the data, whatever the payment need to be done, all that comes under the backend and gives a mail to us. Now it's giving a mail to me that I have whatever the product you have been ordered, it is success, and giving that. That is called as a backend process or backend office software boots. An example of back office process includes a generating reports, transferring files, or monitoring systems. As I've said that transferring file. Let's take a Gmails. Not only Gmails, data transferring like Bluetooth from one device to another device. These are all comes under the functions of RPA. The core functions of RPA, these are the systems. Till now, we have been discussed about this. I'm going to conclude about this session. Today, we have discussed about the 10 best uses of the RPA, and then we have been discussed about the advanced features of RPA and core functionals of RPA. In the next session of the class, we'll discuss about the more of RPA, what is it useful, and what are the things. Thank you for it.